How to log out of Facebook Messenger on the iPhone. To be quite honest, logging out of Facebook Messenger should actually be easy enough so that nobody ever needs to watch a tutorial for that. But unfortunately, this is not the case. Facebook actually makes it incredibly difficult to log out of Facebook Messenger. But the good news for you is that you finally found the video that is going to solve this issue for you for good. So let me show you how it's done. The first thing you want to do is to log into Facebook on your computer or on your phone. If you do decide to use your iPhone to log into Facebook, what is very important though is that you're not using the Facebook application. Instead, what you have to do is to open up your browser, go to facebook.com and then log in right there. So you might ask yourself why? Well, the answer is simply that if you're using the Facebook application, this won't work. It really should, but it doesn't, believe me. So with that said, on your computer or on your iPhone, go to facebook.com. I'm going to use the Safari browser to show you guys here. So first of all, in your browser, navigate to facebook.com. Then log into your account by using your mobile phone number or email and password. Once you enter the user credentials, tap on Login. If you want to save your password, tap on OK. If you don't want to save it, tap on Not Now. You should then be logged into your Facebook account. Now once you're on Facebook on your phone, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 horizontal lines icon. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Now tap on See More in Account Center. Then tap on Password and Security. Under Security Checks, you will then see where you're logged in. Tap on it. Now on Accounts, make sure to tap on the one that has the Facebook icon. Here, if you have Instagram profiles, you will also find them right here. But what we need to do here is to tap on the one with the Facebook icon, of course. So we tap on it. And here you will see all the devices that are currently logged into Facebook or Facebook Messenger. And under Logins on other devices, you will find the device that is currently logged into Facebook Messenger. In my case, it's this iPhone right here that I'm currently using, my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I will tap on that one right here. And then you should find the logout button. It might also be somewhere here at the bottom. So tap on that. And then tap on Logout again to log out of Facebook Messenger. We are now successfully logged out. So let's head over to the Facebook Messenger and let's check if we are truly logged out. The Messenger is right here, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, I'm not logged into anymore to the Facebook Messenger. And this is the only way how to currently log out of Facebook Messenger. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Facebook tutorials.